It's a pretty exciting morning because today Mom flies in, and it's really cool to have family out. Oh, is it a bit... It's not very good lighting now, is it? I don't know where to sit for the light today, but I'm really excited and it's a beautiful morning. I made myself some breakfast. One of the best things with French culture. Baguette and Parma ham jambon. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, it's a really nice morning. I'm just gonna sit out here in the cockpit, eat breakfast, and then we're going in to pick Mom up. So
I see a ferry coming in.
I know.
Do you think it's her?
I hope so. I haven't heard anything from her, so I'm not sure, but she's coming in with a ferry and it's about the right time, so I think this is it.
There's a ferry. There she is. The sailing mom has arrived.
Yes. Oh, I'm so glad to see you.
How was the trip?
Super.
Yeah?
Long but super. So good to be here.
Sailing mom.
Look at that shirt you got.
Yeah.
What does it say?
That I'm a sailing mom.
Like normal mom, just much cooler.
You know the deal.
That's awesome.
And as always, when Mom comes to visit, she brings a whole heap of goodies.
What is it?
It's a label machine.
What? Cool!
Brady, can you make
Oh
me
my
some
god!
You label everything. Helm, compass,
Teach yourself, suckers.
winch.
This I don't know if you want, but you will get it anyway.
Those are nice.
And it's silicone on the bottom.
Whoa.
So if you put it, it won't slide.
Whoa.
What's in this crazy thing?
This is a little beast here.
What do we have here? Whoa. New knife.
Oh, that's so exciting.
That's what we need.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
As a deep fryer?
What?
Yes.
Non-plastic shopping.
Oh my god, you're so good. You're like the anti-plastic fairy. I love it. That's very good for you. What's that?
This is my Goatberg's rape here.
Oh, I got one too. I didn't even order one and I got one. I was just gonna steal Brian's.
Like hell.
What is that?
This is snus. It's little tobacco pouches you put in your lip.
It's very Swedish.
Very Swedish.
And now, when we'd opened all the presents, it was time to tell Mom the exciting news.
Okay.
I have something to tell you, Martha.
Brady's actually a woman.
So we have something really exciting to tell. Yeah.
Yeah. You are going to be a Mormor. Yeah.
Oh, it makes me cry too.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Oh, I tried to think of a way to say it and see it.
That was close.
I'm crying too now.
That's the most beautiful thing. I know, it's really exciting. Oh, I'm so happy for you. And I'm so happy for me. I'm more happy for me.
I didn't have much to do with it, but
Du blir farbror.
yeah.
Congratulations. Thank you. Oh, that is the best surprise.
Congratulations, Grandma.
Yes, thank you.
Blue was here cutting some bread, making a sandwich.
I cut my finger.
She cut her finger.
We've been cutting our fingers with these new knives. And I just took a pretty good chunk out of it.
Look at that wrap job.
Brady wrapped it up for me, but now we gotta get back in there and wrap it proper.
So we're going to hopefully make sure the flap of the skin stays on. And then I'm gonna put some new skin, which is kind of like super glue. Some steri strips. That is a solid chunk that you've taken off your finger there, Blue.
It hurts.
Okay. All right.
Oh, it's more than just a flap of skin.
I know, it's muscle. The first thing I'm gonna do is wash my hands real good, then we're gonna clean it, okay?
Okay.
I think that flap is gonna heal back on real nice, okay? It might sting a little bit. Okay.
Ow.
There's one done, Blue, one done. Okay, now we're going to put a little bit of cotton on it and wrap it up again. Okay. Look at that thing. How cool is that? Hey, at least you still have the tip of your finger. You could have took the whole thing off. It's gonna be okay. Okay? It's gonna be good. Dr. Brady's in the house.
What's going on out here?
We're using our electric drill.
So it's literally plugged in.
It is plugged in and running off of the inverter.
Cool.
Yeah.
How's it working?
Pretty good. I mean, putting some nice lines on the chicken there.
How much power is it pulling, or?
When I first turned it on, it was pulling like 70 amps. And once it got heated up, it dropped down to about 20 or 25.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not much at all, is
Nope.
it?
It's equivalent to running the induction stove at full power.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Beautiful.
When was the last time you were on the boat?
3 years ago.
3 years?
In Cape Town.
Cool.
And now I'm back.
What's your favorite part about being out here?
Slowing down.
Yeah.
Just existing. Less stress.
Nice.
Yes.
Bump it.
Whoa, that looks good.
Yeah.
Bump it.
Nice.
You've outdone yourself, Seymour.
It's the first day. I gotta start off strong and then fail from there.
Nowhere to go but down.
Nowhere to go but down.
It looks so good. So what's the plan for tomorrow morning? What's our wake up call time?
Depends on what time you want to get up.
2?
2, 1, 2.
1?
The earlier the better, as long as people can sleep while we're moving.
Okay, let's get up at 1.
Bye.
Alright. See you in the morning.
Whoa. How good is it?
Pretty good. Tired. What's the plan?
The plan is to motor sail up the leeward side of Guadalupe, and then probably once we pop out the north side, the wind will pick up enough to kill the motor and sail. It's like 32 miles to the north end from here, about, and then from there it's another 40 to Antigua. So I'm really excited. How's the sunrise looking?
Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful morning. It's so calm.
Well, we are just about to hit the northern end of Guadalupe right now. And the wind is way more out of the north than wind predicted. So I'm hoping that it is just wrapping around the island and hitting us on the nose. So hopefully it will start shifting back more to the east soon. Kill this bad boy. beam.
Nice.
We picked up to 7 knots from about 4.5, so that's pretty good.
Nice work.
March is a good first mate.
Hey, good job, guys. Look at you. Put the sails up. Get going.
Great first mate.
You enjoyed the sail, Martha?
Yes, loving it. Look at this. It's beautiful.
So we've got Guadeloupe. It's back there. The island of Montserrat over there, which we're thinking is famous for something, but we're not quite sure what yet.
Yeah,
Can't
it's something
remember.
romantic, I think.
And most importantly, up ahead, barely visible, Antigua. But Delos is sailing nicely. Got wind on the beam, maybe 15 knots most of the time, gusted to 20. Sea state's all right. Making a good 7, sometimes 8 knots, depending on what's going on. And I think we have about 25 miles to go, something like that. Life is good.
Good sailing today. It's so pretty out here. Alma.
Sort of crowded in here, huh?
We've made it to the land of super yachts. A lot of really nice boats.
We haven't been anywhere like this before.
Like ever, just in the Caribbean.
I don't remember seeing this many big boats ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It didn't really look like any spots to anchor back there. So we're gonna go up to the very entrance and see if we can sneak into a little spot. I guess we can drop and see how we sit then, huh?
Check into a new country time, Blue.
Cool, like the islands are so close together here, but they have each one a very different feel.
Yeah.
Like the last one was little French village. Dominica before that was kind of a little bit like rougher Caribbean, and now it's like a little English old school sailor vibe.
I like it so far.
Very quiet.
How pretty it is.
Must be enough money to
What did you find?
Somebody's tagged us.
Oh, no way!
and it wasn't us.
None of us have been here.
That's awesome. How did that go, right?
Super efficient. They've got some computer situation going on in there where you just type in all your things and it spits out a paper, which they stamp a few times. You give them some money, they stamp your passports, you're good to go.
Easy.
Well,
Let's go get a snack.
he's gonna go for a stroll.
Yeah, I thought you guys would be getting a beer or something.
Well, we're waiting
We
for
got
you.
juice.
We got juice.
Juice. Another beer. Cheers, brother.
Up next, we rescue a lost dinghy through some gnarly breaking waves.
Get out of here, off the shore.
It's
It could be on 1,000 Ways to Die or something. Drop weights to your ankles and go down.
Yeah.
Try and drink beer underwater.
Blue? Is that you?
You gypsy pirate right now.
What are you doing? Seaman.
Business in the front, party in the back.
Look at that.
You like it? I like it a lot.